In this video, I'm going to talk about how to update DirectX in Windows 11 and how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, what we need to do is we have to go over here in the search. Now type here for the run command and you have to press enter. Now what you need to do is just type DXDIAG, and what you need to do is you have to just press enter. That's going to take you to window over here as it is. Just wait, it will open up. Now, as you can see, this is the DirectX details that you can get from here. As you can see on my Windows 11, the DirectX version that I'm using right now is DirectX 12. So this is how we can find it. And if you wanted to update it, what you need to do is you have to close this, go over here, search here for settings. What you need to do is you have to click on the settings. Now from here, we have to go to the Windows update. Now from here, you have to check for update here. So if you have any kind of pending updates and all those things, everything should be checked. And try updating your Windows and you have to check, and that might work. Next one is all about after the update is done, you have to click on advanced option. Now from here, you have to go to optional updates and you have to check whether you are having any pending updates here. As you can see, we have these updates. Put a check on all these things. Just go for download and install and try update from here. So this is how we can update the DirectX on your computer, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.